La dun day ma be lady dun dun need it all bum bum body dim body dun. Let me show you how to strop it. It's actually not that difficult. You just need to attach this guy somewhere. In my case, I realized that the small piece could actually hold. Just a second. Yep. And it holds it pretty good. And let me show you how it actually works. So at first you want to do this to clean the razor and to warm it up before the proper stropping. And the sound is just perfect. I mean, rotating it around its neck is a better idea because there's no risk of cutting it, but you know, in all Italian movies, so he will go like that, but the safer technique is actually this, especially when you are dealing with the other side, which I'm going to do now. It is more and more dangerous because when you lift it and drop it every time, it actually may rip the thing off. So you can do this and only do the civilian barber way when you sing. Okay, when you don't sing, you just keep going. I'm sorry, but this thing is as classic as that opera song. All right. Yeah. On the internet people vary, but mine is a new blade, and Naked Armor straight razor is actually already coming quite sharp, but I used it already 3 times. This is my actually 4th or the 3rd time, I can't recall. That's why I don't need to strop it that much, but still, just for the sensation, I'm doing it. All right, we can get this out of the scene.